Hello friends, after a very long time I am making a video, and I just felt to make it because it's a very long time second. It's the month of May actually in India, and you won't believe that in the month of May, when there is an extreme heat waves around, you can see that the kind of weather and the rain that is showering. So this is Nainital, and it's a holiday for me. It's a Saturday, and you can see the weather out there. And these days what is happening is that there is a huge tourist season these days, and it's very unusual to see such weather. But for few months what is happening in this place is that there is some eastern disturbance, and in India, in the northern India, these showers are very common, and these rains are so heavy at times that it's very difficult to believe. You can see it, and it's not just the rain but also hail with the storm. So I was just in the mid of the road, and all of a sudden this rain started. So I was lucky to have the umbrella. You cannot go out without an umbrella, of course, and I dropped my scooty at a certain place and then started taking by foot. So I just hope that the kind of intensity of this rain just gets down, but it is even hardening. I have also some good news, friends, to share up with you, and the good news is that now very soon I am just going to resign from my bank that I was sharing up you, and that was the idea, that was the concept otherwise. So it was like that. I have almost planned it, and maybe in a couple of days I will be resigning. So I have certain plans for myself that I will be sharing up to you in coming time, but it's very difficult. See, it's almost a pond over there. You can see my shoes. The shoes are completely wet, but once you are wet, then doesn't matter how much extra wet you get. Oh my god, this is really difficult. Oh gosh, I mean, there is no option, kind of. One of the biggest problem of this place and in India is also that the drainage system is not so good. What they have done in these hills also, you can see it's always a CC, it's a CC everywhere. Those roads where there were mud, those muddy roads and footpaths, they are covered with this CC. That is the worst part. What happens is that there is no clear drainage system, and you can see what happens. The water flushes through the road, and you have to move through that. It is completely the policy paralysis of the government and foolishness that the common man has to face. You see everywhere the same thing is happening. Well, it's very tough to move, and friends, I will just get you after a pause. And you can see, friends, the kind of weather that is going on. The public is just standing over there. Nobody has an option anyway. I mean, you see, the weather is just unbelievable today. I mean, the rain was expected, but not such kind of the heavy rain. The mountain top, and Nainital is completely surrounded by the heavy storm and heavy rainfall today. well for me. I just have this option. This is not going to work in such weather. You can see there is a lot of traffic jam over there. Okay, so fine, I will just catch you, friends. This is Nainital. You can see the kind of traffic over there. You can see the kind of jam everywhere. The weekends are the same in Nainital always. You see, I mean, there is a huge traffic rush. Not just the local cars, but cars coming from all over the country. Most of the people from Delhi, they have just 6-7 hours of drive. So it is always foolish to come up in a car, I mean, for local person, and I always avoid traveling by car. However, I go by scooty many a time. Still, it's weekend. On the weekend I always prefer by foot rather than by scooty or car. So fine, I will catch you sometime again. After a long time I felt to shoot a video, and I will be sharing a video especially on the freedom of job from the bank, especially, and changing the assignment in near future, friends. Bye.